Oh dear. If your dishwasher's doing something like this, then it's probably down to drainage problems. But here are 3 simple checks that you can do before calling out an engineer. Here's something I made earlier, my board of wonders. It represents the plumbing going in and out of your dishwasher. Now, you may be fortunate enough to have access to all of this all neatly laid out under your sink, or you may not. It's possible it's all hidden behind a cupboard or far behind an integrated dishwasher, and if that's the case, calling out an engineer may be your only option. If you do have access to all of this though, let me show you around. Water needs to come into your dishwasher via an inlet hose. Now, most modern machines are connected to the cold water only, but some older machines might be connected to the hot water as well. Now, during a cycle, all the used water needs to obviously leave the machine, and this happens via a drain hose. Now, your drain hose will either be fitted into a standpipe like this, or be connected to the underside of your sink with a spigot. Check number 1, make sure your inlet valve or valves are actually turned on. Now, this might sound incredibly obvious, but you'd be surprised how common a cause it can be. Check number 2, kinks and twists in your pipes. If you've got a kink in your inlet or drainage pipe like this one, then it's going to be a problem. Now, this isn't something that can normally just happen, but it can be a common problem if you've recently moved your dishwasher. Check number 3, if your dishwasher drains into a standpipe, ensure there's enough room between the bottom of the drain hose and the water level in the standpipe. 12 centimeters, around 5 inches is usually enough. If your drainage connects into the underside of your sink with a spigot, then make sure it's upright like this and the internal bung has been removed. If your spigot is facing down, then the wastewater in your sink will flow back into the drain hose and backfill your dishwasher with dirty water. So there you go. Remember to order any replacement parts for your dishwasher or book your local Indesit engineer. Visit indesitservice.co.uk.